Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set dynamic wallpapers on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Open Settings, then Home Screen and Style and Wallpapers. If you have downloaded your dynamic wallpaper, then it is just in here. But to download it, click More Wallpapers, select Live Wallpapers, wait for it to load, then you can explore right here or search through here. I'll just click Explore the top wallpapers right now, the red spiral for example, and apply or download. Some of them can be purchased, so you just need to buy them. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.